Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Belgian style in home decor embodies a timeless aesthetic characterized by understated elegance, a neutral color palette, and an emphasis on craftsmanship and natural materials. Rooted in simplicity and comfort, decorating your home in Belgian style requires a thoughtful approach that values quality over quantity and embraces a serene and inviting atmosphere. The color palette in Belgian interiors revolves around muted tones and earthy hues, such as soft grays, warm beiges, and muted whites. These neutral colors create a serene backdrop, allowing natural light to play a crucial role in illuminating the space. The emphasis on a subdued color scheme fosters a sense of tranquility and a harmonious connection with the surrounding environment. Texture takes center stage in Belgian-style decor, contributing to a layered and tactile experience. Incorporate a mix of natural materials like linen, wool, raw wood, and stone to add depth and warmth to the space. Upholstered furniture in natural fabrics with a lived-in look enhances the comfort and coziness of the interiors, creating an inviting ambience. Furniture in Belgian style is characterized by its simplicity and functionality. Opt for well-crafted, timeless pieces with clean lines and a focus on quality craftsmanship. Antiques or vintage finds often find a place in Belgian interiors, adding character and a sense of history. Consider pieces with a patina that tells a story, contributing to the lived-in charm of the space. In terms of layout, Belgian interiors often embrace an open and airy feel. Avoid clutter and choose furniture arrangements that allow for easy flow and movement within the space. Large, statement pieces are strategically placed to create focal points without overwhelming the room. This thoughtful curation of furniture and decor items reinforces the concept of simplicity and mindful living. Natural light is a key element in Belgian-style decor. Window treatments are kept minimal to allow the maximum amount of natural light to filter through. Consider using sheer linen or unlined curtains that gently diffuse sunlight, creating an ethereal and soft ambience. This approach enhances the connection with the outdoors and contributes to the overall tranquility of the space. Accessories in Belgian decor are carefully selected to complement the understated elegance of the interiors. Opt for a few well-chosen decor items, such as antique mirrors, ceramic vessels, or woven baskets, to add visual interest without overwhelming the space. The goal is to create a curated collection that enhances the authenticity and simplicity of the Belgian style. Greenery and botanical elements play a role in bringing the outdoors inside. Consider incorporating potted plants, fresh flowers, or simple green arrangements to add a touch of nature to the interiors. This subtle infusion of greenery contributes to a sense of serenity and connects the home to the natural world. In conclusion, decorating your home in Belgian style is about embracing simplicity, understated elegance, and a deep appreciation for natural materials. By prioritizing a muted color palette, incorporating textures, choosing well-crafted furniture, and allowing natural light to dominate the space, you can create a Belgian-inspired haven that exudes timeless charm and invites a sense of calm into your home.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!